If you're new to playing the guitar and find reading tabs challenging, this video is for you. This tutorial video will teach you how to read tabs, helping you grasp your favorite guitar riffs. Don't worry if you play acoustic guitar, tabs works well for acoustic players too. I'm Rod Rodriguez, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit the bell for new videos notifications. Let's begin with the basics of writing and reading tabs, the common type found online. Both the professional tab notation and the usual tabs are quite similar. Professional notation offers more details, but we'll cover that in a later lesson. The 6 lines represents the guitar strings. Unlike traditional music notation, these lines represent the guitar strings, with the top string at the bottom and the bottom string at the top. Though it may seem confusing initially, you will get used to it. Remember that in music notation, rather than traditional or tabs, lower notes on the bottom lines and higher notes on the top lines. It's always like that. Think of it as looking at the guitar strings upside down, like this position. The string notes are on the left, starting with the low E string at the bottom and falling by A, D, G, B, and high E. The numbers on the lines indicate frets. For example, 3 on the bottom line is played at the 3rd fret on the top string. To define the right finger, use all 4 fingers to cover 4 frets. Place your fingers sequentially, 1 per fret, with the first finger on the fret 3, second on the 4th, and so on. Tabs may show different numbers on different lines, indicating notes on different strings. For instance, 3 on the 5th string means playing the note on the 3rd fret of the 5th string. The number 5 on the 4th line on the 5th fret on the 4th string. And the 0 on the 1st open string. Now let's play some notes. I'm pretty sure you know where those notes come from. Moving on to chords, starting with power chords. For instance, the E power chord is played by combining 0 on the top string, 2 on the 5th and 4th strings, like this. Next, there's a single note, 3, on the top string. Now similar to the power chord, but a string down, play 0, 2, 2 on the 5th, 4th, and 3rd strings. That's the A power chord. Do you know where these chords come from? Let me know in comments. It's a very famous song from one of the biggest rock bands of all times. Reading tabs is easy. Practice by learning songs on your own, starting with easy ones and gradually increasing in difficulty. Remember, watching tutorials alone won't help. Reading tabs, even a few notes, is crucial. In the next lesson, I will teach you how to read more complex chords on tabs. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And visit my website at www.rodrodriguez.net for more about me and my courses or private lessons. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.